Today we're going to learn how to install Collavate to your desktop. This is part of new features that were released today, which is the May 26th, 2020. Before I begin anything, I would like to let you know that as of today, this feature only works on Chrome browser for both Windows PC and Mac computer. This is the screen that you'll see when you first log into Collavate, and you'll notice that there is a plus icon added to your Collavate. Click on it and it'll ask you if you'd like to install Collavate app. Click install. And once you do that, you'll notice that a Collavate icon will be added to your dock and a desktop version of Collavate will pop open. And if you like to uninstall Collavate, just click on this three-dot menu and click on uninstall Collavate and remove.